What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about 925, and there are some changes that we all need to know. Okay, so the current portfolio is still at 170K. Okay, and first question is a few weeks ago there was 190K. So what happened to the other 20K? Okay, well, I would like to know that. But I will let DeFi Spammer answer that question. But yeah, the current portfolio TVL, oh, not TVL, balance is 170K. Okay, and these funds are being invested in sports betting and money exchanges 100% safe. We are working and taking our statement, our crypto prim to do come from the funds left on portfolio. Okay, so last week they were making only 1.5%. Okay, so this week, as you can see right here, the daily APR has changed from 0.3% to 0.1%. So that means you will make 0.5% for a whole week. Okay, or monthly will do 0.2% per month. Okay, so why they are making this? Okay, so they are making this to be able to address this. We implemented a plan with daily and weekly returns of around 1.2 and 6% payable on the fourth week of each month. Okay, September 11th to September 15th. The contract will be inactive for non-payout weeks with 0% TVL and no daily ROI to avoid people compounding. Okay, and yeah, if people don't compound, I don't really know how this is going to play out. Okay, it's all a mess because nobody really planned for this. Okay, for some reason, you just want to drag this thing out. All right, it's just nonsense. All right, so it clearly not working. Okay, so it just keeps on dragging this. Okay, so it says people will hang on. This approach aims to ensure consistent revenue generation, improve payout process, and align with the team's long-term plan to allow investors to withdraw their remaining ROI in 4 to 5 months. But at these rates, 0.1%, you're going to make 2% a day is going to be 2% a month is going to be even worse to ROI, okay? But I don't know what is he planning to do, but let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, for me, this is just a dead project, right? So he's just dragging it out. But those are the updates, and we have no say about projects, so we just have to roll along. Okay. This is the 925 TVL is currently at 0.006, which is really bad for the project, but he seems to know what he's doing, so we just gotta play along because we have no control about our funds. That's why, it's best for you to start learning how to trade instead of trusting someone to trade your funds and not be able to have access to your funds and also not be able to cash out whenever you want. Okay, so let's see. So I've got some funds available and my accumulation will stop accumulating my rewards. So let's see if I can compound, because if I do, I will be better off compounding than losing my rewards. Okay, let me confirm right here and let's see if my total invested amounts will change. Okay, yeah, 925, I had good expectations about this project, but clearly not working. Okay. Clearly not working, so it's confirmed. Okay, seems like the compounding worked. Okay, so if you have some funds available, you'll be better off compounding instead of, just letting the accumulation stop. Okay, because otherwise you're going to miss out on your rewards. Okay, so yes, guys, those are the updates about um, 925, and I really don't understand why the project owner decided to cause panic in its own project. Okay, it's just crazy, right? It's just crazy. But oh well, we live and learn. That being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.